Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It is me, it is I, Vivi Cooks, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I have the beautiful Layefa, the beautiful makeup artist, content creator, influencer. You have it. Layefa, Viti, do you want to say hi?
Hi guys, I'm on Vivi Cooks channel.
Yeah!
Mama, I made it!
So we've been trying to film this video for a while and finally it's happening. And I brought her on this channel to get whipped. If you watched my older videos, probably like a year ago, almost 2 years ago. Yeah, that's true. I did the Nigerian language challenge and I'm bringing it back again just because you guys loved the last two I did. And as you all know, I am Igbo and Layefa is from Delta
Ijo.
So Delta Ijo. So we're going to be doing the Nigerian language challenge video, Igbo versus Ijo. I feel like it's probably my first friend that is from Delta. Ijo rather, not Delta. So yeah, I feel like I'm going to fail it, but then again, let's be very,
optimistic.
So fingers crossed I don't get whipped as much as I think I would. And stay tuned, this video is going to be so much fun because like I have my Igbo sentences planned. Oh yes.
Oh, you already have them planned?
Yes.
Hey,
well, no,
God.
not like they're in my head. So basically, if you don't know how this game works, I would say stuff in Igbo. Probably I'll say a sentence and then also mix.
To guess.
Yeah, I'm going to add Igbo in the sentence and then she has to guess what I'm saying. And if she doesn't guess it right, thank you. Show them.
I'm going to get whipped.
Show them. What are we using? Yeah, so we have the famous whipped cream. If you watched my videos, my older
that video was hilarious, by the way. I've watched that video so many times.
So I have my whipped cream, and if she gets it wrong, I'm going to be whipping her face.
And if I get it wrong,
she's going to be whipping my face.
Yes.
And it's going to be messy and fun and all of that stuff. So stay tuned.
I'm so nervous, you guys.
If you're Team Vivian, comment down below right now. Team Vivian, comment.
Team Layefa,
Team Vivian. We also have our plastic
this plate is too big.
It's too big, so it can,
Oh my God.
Oh, my nose.
I'm going to need a shower when I'm done.
Yeah, you gotta shower. Anyway, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So Layefa is the guest here, so she will start first. I don't want to do any rock, paper, scissors like I always do. So she'll just start first. Let's get her comfortable enough to,
Please.
Can
we just try to give ourselves easy?
Can we just
easy? Don't go hard. Don't give all those thick ancestors Igbo.
All those thick Igbo take
that nobody will understand what it
okay,
means.
so okay. I'm ready.
Let's do this.
Okay, what's the first one?
Give me the plates.
You don't even want to say it. Wait now. Wait, be patient now. What have I entered?
Oh my God, don't worry, don't be scared. I just know the small.
One time.
I just know Osiso, Biao, the small ones.
Let me have my plates too, so that we don't,
So my first sentence is Vivian.
Yeah.
Is an Ibiri.
Vivian is a beauty girl.
Sorry, a beauty girl.
Sorry. Vivian is a beautiful girl. Did I get it?
Yes! That was too easy. That was actually too easy. Oh my God, my sister just gave me the eye. Like,
Vivian is.
Well, not beautiful per se. Like,
pretty.
They are all in the same category, Sha. Okay, so no whipped cream for you. Alright. See, I gave you easy words. Vivian.
Pass me the whipped cream.
Vivian, I gave you one.
Pass me the whipped cream.
Okay, now there. Scared.
Layefa.
Easy words, Vivian.
Okwima. Iwu ezigbote mmadụ.
Wait.
Wait, what?
Wait.
What am I waiting
You
for?
said we mix English and the language.
Okay.
I would have given you straight up all Ijaw words if it's like that.
Sorry.
See,
Layefa, okay, sorry. My bad, sorry. Layefa, do you know that you're an ezigbote mmadụ?
A good girl.
No?
Yes, ezigbo. Say it again. Ezigbo. Say it again. Sorry. Say it again.
Layefa Beauty. Do you know that you are ezigbote mmadụ?
A good child now. A good first child.
Mmadụ child.
Oh no, good girl.
Nwatakịrị's child.
Wait, good woman.
Nwunye is woman.
What did you say?
Is woman,
what
right?
did you say? It's a good friend.
You know what? I'll give it to her because she's close.
What does it do?
So wait, Layefa, do you know you're a good person? Madu is person. So yeah.
Please, let's keep this energy. Don't go and give me your grandfather's.
Okay, you're next.
I'm sorry. Vivian.
Yeah.
And Nango carry you.
Vivian, mind yourself, oh.
No, it's not mind yourself actually. It's not
Be
mind
careful.
Yourself.
Yeah, sis, let me tell you.
It's a lie.
I swear this was not planned.
Did you get that?
Like,
what the hell?
see how fucking
Wait, it's the way I said this that gave it away.
Layefa, who did I see you with outside? Onwenigi.
On way what?
You should know this.
You are trying me.
No.
You don't listen.
Don't be deceived. That's not it.
Wait.
You have 3 tries. Oh my god, I forgot to mention.
No, that's it again. On way what?
Okay, now you can have that. You can have it.
How many tries have I got to?
I don't know. When I'm editing, I will tell them you don't need to know.
Jesus, come for me.
Enigi. Don't make me chew my mouth.
Why is this thing hard? Who is that person?
Nope.
Jesus,
One more
Vivian,
try.
please don't do this to me. Oh my god, I can't believe this. Oh my god.
Why are you screaming?
I can't believe this.
Breathe. Calm down.
I've warned you before.
Oh, calm down. Come here. Mado. Guys, I was trying to do it so she couldn't see it, but the thing flew to the back. I apologize. Oh my god!
What does it mean though?
Okay, so the meaning is, Layefa, who did I see you with outside? Is he your friend?
Do you know my mind went there? My mind went there. Do you know?
Oh my god!
But you're not
real.
That's actually the first thing that came to my mind. But you were doing like this.
Why did it? You see your friend like it can.
You were doing like this. Oh my god! Do you know? Is he your friend? Actually came to my mind. Fuck. Jesus. You are getting. It's me. Don't worry. The next one is not going to be easy.
Layefa, calm down now. I'm helping your life.
I will do her back.
Are you upset?
I should have actually packed my hair.
I told you.
Oh my god! Vivian, I thought you loved me.
I love you now.
Vivian, let me put small.
I love you now.
She put. Alright. Vivian, are you ready? And I'm going. No, wait, no, that's not the way I'm to give you. Vivian.
Yeah.
Kenyoma Timiapa.
Kenya Papa, you are very bent on giving me, on whipping my
Rules
face.
are gone. You whipped me. No more rules.
Oh, if it's
Vivian. Kenyoma Timiapa.
That's not the rule of the game. You have to speak English.
Well, I spoke English. Vivian.
Vivian is the English.
Yes. Vivian.
Yeah.
Why is it that you cannot Kenyoma to me?
You cannot organize your things.
Nope. Pass me the plate, oh.
I don't understand.
Plate though. Oh wait.
Wait, can you say it again? Why is
Vivian,
Yeah.
why is it that you cannot kinyoma timiapa?
Why is it that you cannot listen to me when I'm talking?
Nope. One more try. One more try. One more try. Vivian.
Why is it that you cannot
See what you say like it's
cook food?
Right!
So
God! I'm so excited. Vivian, why is it that you cannot stay in one place?
My eyesight.
Kinyoma timiapa.
Guys,
This thing really did not come off from my head.
mouth is not coming off now. I need Fix Plus.
It's in a fix plus.
In a twashi too much. I don't like it. What did I say?
You talk too much.
Nope.
You do oversabi too much.
Nope. One more try.
Say it again.
Layefa in a twashi too much. I don't like it.
You like shakara too much.
Nope.
You see, you're trying me.
You can lie. I don't like it. You lie
lie.
too much. Let's get on it. Boom, boom, boom. Let's get on it.
It's okay.
I don't.
Shut up. Whose side are you on? You will clean my laptop. You will clean my house. Yeah, Vivian, it's okay now.
In a twashi too much. I don't like it.
Vivian.
Yeah, that's my name.
Eyi.
Hey.
Eh? Where is she?
Where's my friend?
Nope.
Where's my mother?
Nope.
Hey, where is she? Where's my grandma?
Why did you get it? It's mother. I wanted to lie and say it's not mother. I gave you a very easy one. Why did I give you such an easy one? No. I'm taking it back.
You take
Let me
one?
give you another
You
one.
can't. I knock it.
Why did I give you?
My next one. Are you ready?
Easy.
Layefa.
Easy. Baby cooks.
I'm just thinking. I'm just pitying now. Layefa. Kevin came in and was complaining. Isala Huta.
Ha. What did you do to him? That you disrespected him.
Isala Huta.
What did you do?
You've lost it 3 tries.
Jesus, it's not what did you do. What does it mean?
Ain't me báwo ni o ṣe wá. Ain't me báwo ni o.
I had one more try, you wicked human being.
Good. It's fine. Layefa, I should be happy now. Oh, yeah, I enjoyed myself.
So much fun.
Anyway,
I'm not usually like
we filmed the video before this, so we're already like slightly tipsy from that video. But anyway, I'm going to be ending the vlog here. It was so fun. Let's start a video. I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it so much. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Thank you for watching.
I'm going to be leaving a link to Layefa's YouTube channel in my description box. Please watch the video we did on her channel and do not forget to subscribe to her. She has vlogs, amazing tutorials. Let's all support each other this year. You know, let's take the Nigerian YouTube dream to another level. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Hi guys. Layefa. It's really starting to get you now. And I'll see you guys in my next video.